blow them out.
Just take your thumb out. There you go.
Now lean down and blow them out.
I need to sit down before I blow them.
Okay.
Let her blow, okay, Abby?
Do you want me to turn it towards you?
Huh?
Okay, there you go.
Good.
Abby, it's okay, let her blow. Daniel.
Sam, can you go help her?
Really big.
We're
really big.
recording.
Really big. One more time. Woo, those are doozies.
Yay!